Hello everyone, Jason Harris here. In this screencast, I'm going to be showing you that I'm able to read data from my database. Okay. What I have open here is my Apptime Studio with my index.php file that I created. Okay, inside my file, what I have is my PHP statement, and it's requiring the database.php file that I've created. And what this database PHP file does is enables PHP to grab information from my database. Okay, and I'm using PDO format of PHP, which is PHP data objects. Okay, and what I did is create a function called open connection, and this function I passed in MySQL _connect, which is a PHP function which takes 3 variables. The server name, the user, and the password, okay, for the MySQL database. Okay, and what I did here is I checked to see if there is a connection. If there's not a connection, the database will stop, and PHP would throw an error, and it will read database connection failed, and append along the MySQL error statement from PHP. But if it does connect, okay, it's just gonna look for my database will enable. Okay, and then also I got a function here called close connection, which what this does is after the user closes the page, it's gonna make sure the database is closed. Okay, and this is used for security purposes, so the database won't always be open. It'll always close after every page is closed. Alright, so going back to the index file. Okay, as you can see, I'll split up my file so that I have the header and the footer in its own file located in the includes folder under layout. And this just makes it easier for me to keep all the pages looking about the same. Okay, it's always going to include the header and the footer of the page, and all I have to worry about is the content of every page, of all the views that I make. Okay, but as you can see, I have commented out some MySQL statements, okay, where I inserted into the users table and into the column, into the rows ID, username, password, first name, and last name. I inserted the values of 1, KS Coughlin as the username, secret PWD as the password, Kevin as the first name, Scuggling as the last name. And then I passed in the results from that query into a variable called result. And right here is where I selected all the all the inputs from the table users where ID equals 1, and then pass that into the variable result again, and then I pass the result of that into another variable I created called found user, using MySQL _fetch _array function. That's part of PHP. And then I went through and echoed out found user. I echoed out the username that is included in the table. And if I bring up my index page, you'll see here that it printed out KS Kirkland. So that's telling me that I'm able to make a connection to my database, and then I'm able to echo out information from the database onto the page. Okay, and that's the end of my screencast. I hope you enjoyed it.